So hi guys, so today in today's video we would be talking about Evaluator. So we have already talked about in the previous video about trainer, and we saw the visualization using TensorBoard in the previous video. So in today's video we have got Evaluator with us. So we are moving to the end of the TFX pipeline. We started with the example gen part, and the Evaluator is the second last video, and the last video would be on pusher. And after that we are done with the pipeline part. I would try to make another one video specifically what after that, and some topics that you need to study eventually. So let's get right into the part that is evaluator. So this particular component computes the performance matrices of the evaluation set. So the library which it uses is the TensorFlow model analysis, and if you want to see in detail about this library, you can simply click the link. You can see the getting started model analysis. It tells you about your model, about everything about your model, and the evaluator can optimally validate the newly trained model is better than the previous trained one. So this is useful in a production pipeline where you automatically train and validate a model every day. So it can be like you have trained 2 to 3 models, okay, and now you have put that model in your pipeline. Now you want to see which of the model is performing better in performance metrics. So for that, evaluator is the best thing. You can get the best model from that. Evaluator will what would it do? It would take the input data from example gen, the trained model from trainer, and the slicing configuration obviously, and that allows you to slice on metrics of feature value. Suppose in the this particular example, how your model perform on taxi trips that start at 8 a.m. versus 8 p.m. So we would see that implementation only. So we would import the taxi constants and the collab sinks. After that we would define the whole evaluation configuration. So this assumes the serving model with signature serving default, and the label keys and the processing functions name the transform features. If you want, you could choose another feature also. It's totally on your choice. Just play with this notebook in a more accurate way if you want to put another features. And the class name would be example count. The class name here in the next one is binary accuracy, and we have defined all the change threshold, TFMA generic change threshold, and the slicing specs we have defined. An MP slice specs means the overall slice that is among the whole data set. And now we will give the configuration to evaluator and run it. So for giving that, we have done mod tfx.dsl.resolver. So to evaluation, in this case we would validate against the latest blessed model. Means we have only one model here, but suppose you are working for a client in which you have trained 2 to 3 models, and you want to test in which model would fit better in my pipeline, because you obviously want to give the best to your clients. So for that purpose, now model blessing is equals to tfx.dsl.channel, inside which you are giving all the resolutions, and context.run evaluator equals to tfx component.evaluator. If you want to see other functions, you can directly go to the evaluator tfx pipeline component website. Here you can see what it consumes. The evaluation split from the example gen already told you, the trainer model from trainer, and a previously blessed model if validation to be performed. What it emits? Analysis results to the machine learning data, metadata I mean. Now if you don't know about metadata, simply go to this website and you would get to know about metadata. Now validation results to ML data and all the things that are configured here. So going down here, you are giving example gen output, the model that you have trained from trainer, and obviously the blessed model. So yeah, this is how things are working. I would simply just run this, and it is going to take a lot of time. Believe me, it took around 3 to 4 minutes when I'm using GPU, but I guess it is going to take a little less time this time. Now it is going to evaluate all the things, and then it is going to give you the whole answer. And if we won't be waiting for that specifically, let's move forward now. So in the previous one, I have already what I have done is already run this code. So we need to see the outputs, because obviously it would be giving almost the same outputs this time also. So these are the outputs which I got. Evaluated outputs from this we got. the evaluation channel name, the model evaluation, the type name, artifacts, string value evaluation, and the custom properties, all the things you can see here. It is telling you state, TFX version, state live, producer component, everything it is telling you. And current model, the string value it is giving you, custom properties again. And if you go down, you can see it is giving you everything regarding the model, what are its performance metrics, all the slicing data that you gave to it. Now the main part comes here. Using the evaluation output, we can show the default visualization of global metrics on this entire evaluation set. So what we would do, context.show evaluator.outputs, and we would do evaluation. Now I would simply run this once again, and it is going to take a bit time again. I think for now, because it is already running over here. So yeah, for now we will wait for it and move forward. So now we would see the visualization, or the above cell would basically show us the data in a unmanaged way. So to see the visualization for sliced evaluation metrics, we can directly call the TensorFlow model analysis library. We have called it as TFMA, and path to results is the evaluation we got from the output. So what we are going to get, path to result is evaluator.outputs, and taking the whole part. And what are the TFMA results? Dot load evaluation, load eval results, path to results, giving it the output from evaluation, and show the sliced along features trip start hours. So let me go down, and yeah, this is what it gives you. Trip, start hour, example count, it is giving you everything. Yeah, so now if you want to see in detail, trip start at 19, binary accuracy, example count, loss, it is giving you literally everything that you need, everything. Now the visualization shows the same metrics but computed at every feature of trip start value instead of one entire evaluation set. Now TFMA supports a lot of visualizations such as fairness indicators and plotting a time series. Obviously this would. Now coming at the part blessing URI, you are taking again the blessings part, the blessed model already, and seeing it, you would see that what time it was blessed, and now you can verify the success by loading the validation result record. Simply you would run this, and you would see part 2 result, that is evaluator.outputs, evaluation get it, and print the validation result. And you would see validation okay is true, details, sliding details, and the number of matching slices are 25. So yeah, this is how things work here. Now if I go above here, I guess yeah, it has been trained. Now you can see from here the baseline model, the blessing, evaluation, literally everything is there. And when I come down here, this is what it gives you uh, when, when we don't do the visualization part. Now examples, you can see 2 3 4. Yeah, it's your choice, I would say. You can do this, slices overview, matrix histogram, you can do number of buckets if you want to see. It will give you literally everything that you want to see. The number of slices in a bucket. Now if I do example counts, number of verified examples for slices, binary accuracy, example count difference, everything is here for you. So this is how evaluator works and helps you do things. Now in the next video we would be talking about the last component, that is pusher, and that would be it for the TFX pipelines component series. So thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.